How to use Square for your businesses. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Square for your businesses. Now, Square is an online business tool that you can use to make your business a lot more profitable and keep track of a lot of things such as your income, your outcome, and all the other things that are related to your business. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to squareup.com. Now, once you're over here on their website, as you can see that it is a very nice website and it is very professional. So to get started, all you have to do is click on get started at the bottom and click on get started. So once you clicked on get started, the website will look something like this, and over here all you have to do is enter in all the correct details. So you have to enter in your email, you have to enter in your country, then a password, then you have to clear this reCAPTCHA, then check this box, and then just simply click on continue, and you will have signed up on this website. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up on this website, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So once you've signed up on this website, this is a form that they're going to ask you. So they're going to ask you about your business, what business category does it fall into, and they will ask you about the payments, whether you accept credit or debit, what is the business name, and stuff like that. So let's just fill out this form and move on with the video. So what type of business is it? So let's just select the category of the businesses. So let's just say that it is related to food and drinks, and select the category, and in the category let's select bakery, and then let's say, do you currently accept credit or debit? So let's just say yes, we do accept credit and debit. And then down here, enter the name of your business. Salma's Cafe, business contact, just enter in your first and last name. Just simply enter in the address of your business, just enter in your postal code, and that is basically it. And then all you have to do is simply click on continue, and after that your account will have been set up. Now you can continue to download the app and keep track of all your businesses, or just simply click on login. So once you've signed up on this website, it will look something like this. As you can see, it is a lot different from all of the other websites that are related to this type of website. Now over here, as you can see, we have a lot of things going on over here, so let's just go over them one by one. So over here, as you can see, welcome to Squarespace. Our setup guide will walk you through on how you can get set up on Square. So let's just set up the guide, and over here, as you can see, we have to activate our account and take payments. So to verify your identity, all you have to do is enter in your legal name, your home address, so that they can verify you, and this will allow you to accept payment at your point of sale. So you can verify as of right now or skip for later. So, and you can also link your bank account and take your first payment, and then you will be set up. And down below, you can set up your account. You can customize your receipts, you can set up your taxes, add a location, explore other softwares as well. And then you finally have get started with Square point of sales. Over here you will have to order hardware and download the app as well. So now that we know a little bit about this website, let's just get on with the video. So over here on the left side, you will have these options. So you have home, reports, balance, transaction, account settings, and orders. And down below you have customers and items and apps. So the first thing, what does a business need? So you've set up your business and you set up a website. Now you need to set up your items. So let's just go ahead and set up our items. So click on items, and over here you have item library, and as you can see, our library is empty. So over here we have some suggestions that we can add. We can add water, we can add earrings, we can add thin mint, or we can just create an item or import items that you have already created, and you have a specific file or a CVS in your computer or laptop or your mobile device, whichever one you're using to set up your SquareUp account. So let's just go ahead and click on create an item, and over here, as you can see, we have to enter in the name of that item. I'm just basically writing this to give you a general idea of this thing. So our store is basically related to food and other items, and it falls into the category of bakery. So let's just enter in our item, which is a chocolate cake. Okay, and the category is, we have no category set up. We'll create a category as we move on with the video. And in the description, you can write the description of that particular item. This is a cake. We have and then you can just simply add in the image of the item. So then all you have to do is enter in the point of sale title, click on edit, and just simply click add an image of that item that you have. So let's just click on add image and select this image of the red cake. Now as you can see that it looks pretty nice actually. I wouldn't mind having a slice of that cake. So let's just click on done. We have done our item, we have entered its name, we have its description. The next thing that you want to do is add the variations. So it's basically per pound, right? So per pound, let's just say that it's worth for about 500 rupees per pound and in stock, and then that's simply it. We've added an item, its name, its image, we've added the price. Then you can just simply enter in the custom attributes, and then that is basically it. And then after you've created your item, all you have to do is simply click on save, right, top right, and then you have successfully saved and created your item, which is over here, which is a Black Forest chocolate cake going around 500 rupees per pound. And down below we have modifiers. Basically, item modifiers are there to make the order simple. So let's create a set of modifiers that can be applied to an item for faster checkout. So let's just simply create a modifier, and over here let's just create a name cake modifier. Customer can also select the new modifier, and then rupees is 250, half a cake. Just simply enter this, and that is basically it. Just click on save and you have a modifier created. So if anyone wants to apply this modifier to their option, they can simply do so. It's basically half the thing that they ordered. So now down below we have categories. We can even set up a category of our item. So let's just create a category. As I said before, we were going to be creating a category. Let's just say it is part of bakery. And that's basically it. Down below you can also add discounts. So if you want to have discounts on your product, on your items, you can just simply create one as you want. Then down below you have sale taxes, and you can also create taxes upon your items. So then you can just simply create taxes. So down below we have options. So in the options you can create variations. For example, you can add the size option to an item that could create variations. So you can add small, medium, large, and stuff like that. So basically if anyone wants a small cake, you can just simply add an option for that item, a medium, large, whichever one you want. You can just simply add them over here. So let's just go ahead and add a variation. So let's just say cake size. So over here you will have medium, small, and large, and that is basically it. Just simply click on save and you will have the medium, small, large. These are going to be options that are going to be applied to your item. And down below you have units. So you've already created a unit, which is pound, 1 precision. And down below we have custom attributes. As I said before, you can add custom attributes as you want, and then just simply that's basically it. We've created our store, we've created an item. Now let's go ahead and create our customer. So click on these 3 bars over here on the left side of the top corner, and then just select customers. So as you can see, welcome to customer directory, blah yada yada, continue. So as you can see, we have no customers created yet. So you can create a new customer or an existing list of customers that you have saved on your computer, laptop, or smart, whichever device you're using. So let's just go ahead and create a new customer. So over here all you have to do is enter the name of that customer. So the name is John Doe, and 000000000. Email address is johndoe@gmail.com. And down below all you have to do is enter in the address of that person, the groups they belong to, the company, their reference ID, the birthday date, and etc. And then just simply click on save. And as you can see, we have created our customer, we've created an item. Let's go ahead and create our bill. So go ahead and come over to home, and over here let's click on transaction. And as you can see, we have no transaction made at this time. So let's just go ahead and make an order or complete an order. So click on the 3 bars and click on orders. So as you can see, this is where you manage online orders, add or order partners to get started. So let's just click on view order partner. Now we can square online, we can get this feature, but let's just click on overview and create our orders. So if anyone has an order that they want, we can simply view that order over here, and then we can just simply click on editing, edit orders, mark that order, and just simply mark that order as complete, and that will be it. So let's just go ahead and create an invoice. So that's what you needed to know about order. So let's just go ahead and like edit our receipt. So just click on these three bars over here, click on account and settings, and over here down in business, click on receipts, and over here this is how our receipt will look like. So let's just go ahead and change. It looks decent, but like I feel like we can make it a little bit better by changing the color, maybe adding a few images and and whatnot. So let's just change the color to blue. Let's just upload a logo of that cake. This is going to be our logo, and printed logos are converted to black and white. Please just print your receipt to confirm it. So you can also add printed logo as well, so you can show the item description on that receipt or whatever that person has added. And then you can also add in your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and your own website as well, so that if anyone wants to find out where you got that, you can just simply show this receipt and they will know where you got that cake from. So once you've customized your receipt, then all you have to do is simply click on save at the bottom right corner over here. Click on save. So that is it. That is all the things that you needed to know about Square and how you can create your items, your customers, and all the other things that I have shown in this video. So if you have any other questions related to this video, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. So having said that, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care.